Hi everyone, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. Today we are making a really cool drink. It is called an egg cream. Now an egg cream is an old-fashioned drink from New York that you would maybe get in a soda shop. And it's interesting, it actually has no egg and no cream in it, but it is called an egg cream. And it requires 3 ingredients traditionally. We're adding a 4th just to add some Amoretti flavor to it. This is a really fun and easy drink to make. I encourage you to try this with your kids. They'll get a good kick out of it, and it will be a new and interesting flavor they've probably not tried before. So we're gonna start off with our Amoretti premium syrup in dark chocolate. So we're gonna do 2 pumps of this. That's 1 and 2. And then to add a little bit of Amoretti flair, we're going to use the premium syrup in white chocolate. So this is actually a zebra egg cream. So 2 pumps of this as well. And then right on top of that, we're gonna add our milk. So this is gonna be about a half a cup of milk, but you can choose to do whatever works best for you. I am using oat milk, but you can use any milk. And then the last ingredient, we're gonna top with soda water, which is what gives us the really interesting bubbly flavor to this chocolate milk. And the last step is we are going to froth this. It's gonna give us a nice little head on top, and that's what gives us the traditional egg cream look. Now, if you're working with kids, you can get a little stirring spoon and kind of just keep stirring. That will give you the froth. I'm gonna cheat a little and use a frother. Just kind of save my arm a little bit of work here. And just let it stir on up, get all of that chocolate off of the bottom, even though it was a nice look. And really get that good froth going here. And there you have it, our old-fashioned egg cream. This is a vegan egg cream. Let's give it a try. Ooh, it's so good. It is just like that milkshake or that chocolate milk that you're used to, but with a really good kick in the pants of those fizzy bubbles. It's very different. It plays on your tongue a little bit in a different way. Highly recommended, super fun drink. Go try to make this at home. Thank you for watching. If you liked this recipe, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We post lots of fun recipes like this. You can even click that little bell to get a notification every time we post. And follow us on social media at Amoretti on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Bye.